Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're going to look on how to add speaker notes in your Google Slides. So the first step would be open up your presentation and click on View. Once you click on View, you need to click on Show Speaker Notes. Once you click on it, you'll get a text box right here. Drag this so you can see it clearly. And you can now add your speaker notes to this particular slide. After you're done writing your notes, you need to click on the drop down on slideshow. You need to click on the drop down here and select presenter view. Once you click on it, you will get this layout, and here you can give your presentation with the speaker notes beside. You can drag and keep it anywhere you'd like. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.